Hi friends, welcome to the video lecture of iteration or looping in a flowchart. How to demonstrate the iteration or looping in a flowchart. Iteration or looping. In a flowchart. Okay, so the looping is demonstrated into two types. One is pre-test iteration or looping, another one is post-test iteration or looping. Pre-test iteration another one is post test iteration. Pre-test iteration and post-test iteration. So what is a pre-test iteration? In the pre-test iteration, we have to test the condition first. Then the condition is true, then the set of statement will get executed. So before executing a set of statement, we are checking a condition. That is known as a pre-test iteration. Okay. So this is a flow chart. We are having a condition. Okay, the condition is having a incoming flow. The condition is having a incoming flow. Okay. Then this is a condition. If the condition is true, what will happen? Then a set of statement will get executed. If the condition is false, the set of statement will not get executed. Okay. If the condition is true, you will have a set of statements. You have a set of statement or statements. When the condition is true, the set of statements are a single statement. Okay, it depends on our programming logic will get executed. Then again, this loop iterates again and again until the condition is true. Okay, so incoming flow, the condition will get tested. Condition is true, the statements will get executed. Okay, so until the condition is true, the statement will get executed repeatedly again and again. Once the condition is false, so what will happen? Once the condition is false, we will exit from the loop. We will exit from the loop. So okay, this is known as a pre-test iteration. In a post-test iteration, first the statement will get executed. After that, the condition will get tested. Even though the condition is false, we can say that the statement will get executed once. When the condition is true, the statement will get executed repeatedly. When the condition is false, after the one iteration, that means a set of statement will get executed once, the condition will go out of the loop. Okay, so statements in a post-test condition iteration, we are having a statement or statements. So after that, we are having a condition. Okay, condition. If the condition is true, then what will happen? This is incoming flow. If the condition is true, then the statement will get executed again and again. Once the condition is false, so the control will exit from the loop. So first a statement or set of statement will get executed. After that, condition is tested. condition is true, the statement will get executed again. The condition is false, then the control will go out of the loop. The control will exit the loop. So this is the way to draw iteration or looping in a flowchart. So one is pre-test iteration. First check the condition. Condition is true, the statement will get executed. The statement will keep on executed until the condition is true. Okay. Then once the condition is false, the control will come out of the the control will come out of the loop when the condition is false. Okay. So likewise, in a post-test iteration, statement will get executed. After that, the condition will get tested. Condition is true, the statement will get executed once again. It will go repeatedly until the condition is true. For example, the condition is false, the statement will get executed once and the control will go out of the loop. In a C programming, this is like a while loop, this is like a do while loop. Okay, now while loop, condition is tested at the beginning of the loop, the condition is true, then only the statement will get executed. Do while loop, a body of the statement will get executed once, after that only the condition will get tested. It is true, again the statement will get executed, otherwise the control will go out of the loop. We can say that in a C programming equivalent, this is equal to while, this is equal to do while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video lecture. Thank you.